Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to export only a part of a clip in CapCut PC. So here, let's say that you have more than one a piece of clip that you added, but you only want to export a certain part of the clip. So for example, I want to import only the second clip in here. You can see this is the same video but with a different background. So I'm going to only export the second clip. So what you need to do is just click on a clip, click on it that you want to export, right click on it, choose arrange, select an area by clip, choose this option. Okay, so it has been selected. Now you can just go to export. Okay, there will be a board pop up like this. Okay, you can see now that what you need to do is just click on export. And after that, the CapCut will only export the clip or the area, the range of the clip that you chose before. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on thanks. Bye.